finding it very difficult to crop inside OBS? Yes, each time you try to crop a video or your camera, keep getting this stretch screen instead of cropping it each time you hold your Alt key. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. All right, kindly right click on the sources, come to transform, go to edit transform. Yes, go to edit transform. Now, under these bounds, change the stretch to automatic. Yes, close this, hold your Alt and try to crop. Yes, you can see our problem is now solved. So if you want to learn how I created this, I already made a tutorial on how to create display screen. Yes, you can click the link in the description and you watch the tutorial how I achieved this. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.